Hello, David Brad here in the TV room. This is completely off topic, but for the last days I've had pink eye, and it's funny. I just got a call. I had called the place that I first got prescribed stuff because my eyes were something was going on, at least with one of them, and it's next to a store, and it's the eye doctor and whatever. Anyway, when I called, and of course I never heard back. I never heard back. So later that night, when I could see and well enough in the dark to go, I went to an urgent care clinic, saw a doctor, and said, "Look at my eyes," and showed him what I had been. He said, "Yeah, yeah, that's good." So he redid the prescription, and that's what I've been taking. So here it is now. Oh, I guess 3 days later or so, and now the place is called to basically say that I wanted to that just now, even though I was in, like I couldn't see, I couldn't hardly drive, um, not in the light anyway. And just now, 3 days later, they're saying, "Oh, gee, oh, maybe we should call back." And of course, all they called me back to say is, "Oh, well, no, 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 this is an antibiotic, and you can't just get this. This isn't something you should just be taking. That whatever." I know this. Um, anyway, I did say, "Well, because I didn't hear back from you people, I went to an urgent care clinic and I showed them what had been prescribed, and it's been represcribed, and that's now what I'm taking, and hopefully I'm on the mend." So, in other words, thanks for nothing. Thanks for your quick attention to this when I called in various stages of agony, because I did have to drive somewhere, and that was when I noticed, oh no, this is not good. And you know what? My eyes are still not, they're not there yet. Oh, I shouldn't do this, but itchy, 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 itchy. But, you would think that they would sort of, you know, get back to me a little quicker than that, and especially when all they're going to do is tell me, "Oh, we can't refill that." Yeah. In other words, you know what? I'll see you in 2 years. Until then, I will go to around Markham. There is a good urgent care place that's at Boxgrove, and it runs from 8 in the morning till 8 in the evening, and it always has a whole bunch of doctors and nurses and such. And sometimes the wait can be pretty horrendous, depending, but not always. Not always. Certainly probably on the weekends and other stuff. Anyway, it's funny. I was going there. There's a wound care clinic in the back you have to get referred to, but not by them. And I was going there for a long time for a wound that wouldn't heal. So that's how I got to know them and got to meet them, and they're quite good. Anyway, Boxgrove. I think it's called the Markham Stouffville something. It's not at the Markham Stouffville Hospital, but it's an urgent care clinic. And if you're in Markham and you're in need quickly of, now I know that there's certain things they won't do. Like if you say, I need a prescription for my Oxycontin, they don't do that. But you need stuff. You can't get your family doctor. It's weird hours. It's whatever. They're pretty fine. And indeed, I was in there pretty quick and out of there pretty quick. And I got the drops I need, and I've been taking the drops. And although I'm still not there yet, um, things are improving. So, to the optometry place, it took 3 days to call me back. Thanks for nothing. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Anyway, all right. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do next. But I'm kind of, you know what? Yesterday was Friday. I pretty much stayed in a dark room and slept all day long. All day. And today, I'm certainly not going outside. It's bright and sunny. It's too bright. Too bright. And even these lights, I've got them kind of pointed away from me, but this isn't great. But I am trying to caught up on some stuff here. So, where is that other 128? I don't know. Anyway, take care of your eyes. And, if you think there's something in there or something's not right and somebody doesn't call you back, call somebody else. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Aye, aye, Captain. Bye for now.